Thank you for purchasing the MGC by GasClip Technologies. Every monitor is individually quality controlled in-house before shipment to you. Upon opening the box, you will find one certificate of calibration, one quick start guide, one power supply, one calibration cap, and one multi-gas monitor. GasClip Technologies is proud to be the industry leader in runtime and easy to use single button operation. To turn the monitor on, simply press the power button. This will start the startup sequence. You will notice that the sensors are what we call chasing zeros. It will take roughly 30 to 45 seconds for this to stabilize and be ready to use. Once the sensors are stabilized, the monitor is ready to use. The MGC by GasClip Technologies comes with default 365-day calibration cycle. Bump testing and calibrating couldn't be easier with the MGC dock. Upon opening, remove the thumb screws and open the bay door for access. Once open, you will notice there's a bubble wrap bag. When you open this bag, it will come with a charger. The docking station does come with a built-in rechargeable battery, so it is totally portable for use out in the field. Also comes with a USB flash drive, 2 extra thumb screws, and exhaust outlet ports. The exhaust ports are located on the right-hand side of the dock. To calibrate or bump test using the MGC dock, simply place the provided USB flash drive in the associated port. One bottle of good calibration gas gets screwed onto the regulator. And once snug, secure the bottle with the provided bottle strap. Close the lid and we're ready to test. Bump testing monitors with the MGC dock could not be any easier. You can test anywhere from 1 to 4 monitors at the same time. Simply place your monitors face down in the bays and choose the appropriate test you wish to perform. We will perform a bump test. You will hear 2 beeps because there are 2 monitors in the first 2 bays. Since there are no monitors in the last 2 bays, the lights above will go red and these will be disabled for this test. Gas is now being applied to the monitors for approximately 15 to 18 seconds. Once the monitors have passed the test, the light above the associated monitor will go green, like so. Now this is in a purge phase. During this phase, all the data from the monitors will be downloaded to the provided USB data stick. The information on the data stick will give you your date, time, serial number of the monitor, the type of test that you ran, bump test or calibration, and the results, either pass or fail, for all your compliance training. Once the power light goes green, the monitors are ready to use. The multi-gas clip can also be manually calibrated using a bottle of gas, a regulator, the provided calibration cap, and of course your monitor. To perform a manual calibration, simply press and hold the power button down. The monitor will say off 3, 2, 1. The screen will go blank. Continue holding the button. It will turn back on and say cal 3, 2, 1. Release the power button and it will soon say apply gas. At this point, attach the provided calibration cap and turn your regulator on. The monitor will now self-calibrate. This process takes approximately 1.5 minutes. Once the monitor is finished calibrating, it will go into alarm. Simply remove the calibration cap, turn your bottle of gas off, and set the monitor to the side, and it will adjust back down to 0, ready for use. Once the sensors have stabilized, the monitor has been successfully calibrated and is ready to use. From time to time, you may need to auto-zero your GasClip monitor. To perform this function, simply press and hold the power button. It will say off 3, 2, 1. Screen will go blank. Continue to hold the power button. It will then say cal 3, 2, 1. When auto-zero is on the screen, press the power button and it will perform an auto-zero. To access the show status menu, simply double tap the power button. It will show the date and time, any message that you have put on the monitor. When it says show status, simply press the power button. It will show your last calibration, your last bump test, your TWA and STEL screens, and finally your peak reading screens. It will give you the option to clear readings. To perform this, simply press the power button. To access the Show Options menu, double tap the power button. It will show your date and time, any message applied. It will then say Show Status, and when it says Show Options, press the power button. It will show your current firmware version, your TWA, STEL, and the settings applied to the monitor itself. This video is a general overview of the MGC. If you would like more in-depth information, you can find answers at www.gascliptech.com or give our service department a call. Once again, thank you for your purchase. GasClip Technologies is proud to be your monitor of choice.